All right, working on the Jeep. So the first exhaust follower on this head, go over here. Let's see. All right, so this is the follower. And if you look, I'll focus. The needle bearing for this roller is gone. And if you see, it was grinding where my thumbnail is on both sides. It was scraping the camshaft right on the sides of the lobe, on this lobe. So I'm gonna have to put a camshaft in it. See, that's perfectly square. Good one. And that's the one it was contacting. And it took the sides of the lobe off. So I'll get a camshaft, and I already have the lifters and followers. Get it back together.